Hey everyone, welcome back to GM Details. In today's video I'm going to concentrate not on the washing of the car but protecting its plastic trims, and as you saw from the intro I'm using AM Details trim sealant. I'm not going to be using this as a trim restorer as the car is practically brand new. I'm using it as a long-term protector from UV damage, and I'm hoping that by having a sealant on the plastic trim that will make them a lot easier to care for and clean in the future. Have I chosen the correct product? Stick around and I'll give you my thoughts on what the product can offer. I've heard a lot of good things about AM Details exterior trim, and I'm looking on the website and it's all 5-star reviews. So is that too good to be true? So I thought I would go and buy a bottle. So in this case a sample bottle, 100ml, just to try it out. The trim on your car takes a lot of abuse, from salt, traffic film, cleaning with strong chemicals, and sometimes it's scuffed and scraped in daily use, not to mention the weather. So how many of you actually think about protecting the trims the same as you do with paint? I see questions online about how to restore plastic trims all the time, so I'm guessing not many worry about it until it's too late. So maybe it's about time these parts get equal rights to some sort of protection from the elements. The product itself is a bit like a mix of oil, silicone and water, meaning that it's thin enough to spread easily without it being sticky like some silicone dressings can be. I'm using a microfiber applicator, but as you can see I'm leaving behind a lot of loose fibre. Not much of a problem as this won't stick to the product, but it does get on your nerves, so probably a foam applicator would be better for application. I'm also applying this directly in the afternoon sun after the car has been cleaned, and it's not affecting the application process, though it is causing the sealant to look very greasy and a bit patchy. But trust me, it's only the camera picking up the sunlight reflections. You'll see how good it looks after it's cured in a few moments. You can also easily remove any over application on paintwork with a microfiber cloth, and it also mentions removing the high shine with a cloth just at this moment, but I don't see it being shiny once it's cured, but that may depend on different types of plastics. Just like waxing, it can be a therapeutic process, so this product does indeed spread very well, so it's just a case of taking your time and being methodical, not forgetting the inner plastic areas too. So there you have it. It's had around an hour to cure or dry, and it's looking fantastic. It's not glossy at all in my opinion, and it's dry to the touch. Exactly what I was looking for. Now I know there's many ceramic options now available, but this just provided me with an easy solution and a product that anyone can use and enjoy. This was applied back in May, and the question is, has it lasted the estimated 6 months? And that's a yes it has. From a single application of AM exterior trim sealant back in May, it's lasted 6 months. In places, it's starting to taper off where the water flows around the wheel arch, but I'm impressed with it. It hasn't been topped up or even so much as a quick detailer applied over it to help it. So the question of does it work is a very reassuring yes. If you want to try it for yourself, I'll pop the links in the description. All that's left to say is thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheery bye.